so now we'll go prayer. So, number one, in sport, we need to pray. Okay? Pray, okay? That's number one. All is this. And God, okay? So, we need to pray, okay? With guidance, safety, blessing, all. Okay? Then number two, we're going stretching. Okay? Stretching is we avoid injury. Okay? Then third, go jogging or stamina. Okay? Then fourth, we're going conditioning layer. We said that